If the AC light on your 2012 Chevy Traverse blinks 3 times, it likely indicates a problem with the AC system, potentially low refrigerant or a sensor issue. So the first thing we're going to try is to charge the system up or to see if it needs Freon. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do is get some refrigerant, and it comes in different ways. The one that sprays by push of a button, or the one that comes in a can. And then you want to make sure, if you get the one that sprays, each one has a gauge, and that's what you're looking for. So those are different types, and as long as it has the gauge, then that's what we're going to use. Now, to find the system for this is a 2012 Chevy Traverse. You're going to find the large refrigerant hose, which is this one here, and you're going to follow it all the way around. And you can see I'm going to follow it, and it comes all the way to this side. And if you look at the bottom down here, you can see that's the port you're looking for, which is way down here at the bottom. So if you look closely, if we can zoom in, that's the port you're looking at. So we're going to connect to that port. So like I said, just follow that line around, and we're going to connect the hose to that port. So now, once you got your hose connected to the low pressure side, which is that connection at the bottom down there, you're going to check your gauge, and we're going to start the vehicle up. So let's start the vehicle, and you got your Freon connected, and we'll open up the Freon to see if it needs Freon. So I'm going to start to do this with one hand, and as you open your refrigerant up, you should notice that it's putting Freon into the system. And you can hear the compressor just kicked on. So I'm going to make sure we got it on high and AC. So where you want to be at is in the green while charging. And you can hear the compressor is constantly running now. If it's fluctuating to the red, that means the compressor is cutting off. So you want to get it to where it stays on, and that's when you're actually putting in Freon once it's running. As you can see, once I rotate the can, you can see the Freon fluctuating. So that's where we want to take in the Freon at, is while the compressor is constantly running. So as you can see, we got everything up and running. The AC is blowing. So the first thing you want to check is the refrigerant, and to see if it's low or not. So that's a possibility. And if it is low, that means you possibly have a leak somewhere. So you may want to take it to a professional to diagnose and repair it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and hope this helps.